Hi there, this is Doreen Velin. You know, I had an experience recently where I absolutely hit my wall. And I don't know if you ever have done that. If you're probably close to my age, you've probably done it several times. But you know, we use different words. We either say, oh my God, I'm so pooped, I'm too pooped to pucker. Or, you know, I've hit a wall. My Welsh cousins, they say, I'm just shattered, I'm just shattered. You just get to a point where you can't take any more and you feel like crying. That's the point we're going to talk about today, and help you maybe discover a new way to tackle it. So this is one way that I use to relax when I hit my wall. And I get into the tub, nice warm bath, and just either take a book, or I usually used to take my telephone in there and phone my sister, but you know, anything just to kind of hit my wall. It worked on occasions. Another solution that I've used for when I've hit my wall or come to the end of my rope, or I've just had too much in my life and I can't process it, I'll bake. That's why I'm the size I am. So I'm a woman that loves food. So either cooking, or I'll maybe get my old cookbooks out, or go on Google and just find some recipes that I've never done before. And it keeps my mind. The purpose of all this is to keep your mind through all this stuff. It's keep your mind off that stuff that's in there, that's just bogging you down. So that's the reason I'm coming up with different solutions. And I have different solutions, and I've done them different times in my life. And it's just because different circumstances. So this is one of the ways, because you have to focus on a recipe. There's no two ways about it. Another way I can get through my wall is read a good book. And I do that often. What it does is sort of just set aside my wall and the way I'm feeling it. Another thing I do is art. I have talked to you many times about that, and it's a way of really getting your mind off of stuff, but also getting some of the feelings out that are in there, instead of just blocking them out, but to reach in, grab the moment, take you know, get in that pond with the alligators and let yourself feel it, and then you can walk out of the pond with the alligators, and you can walk over those alligators' heads and just walk right out of the pond, because you're tackling it. You're not just putting a Band-Aid on it. So let's see how you do that. And you've never done art before, so I'm going to take for granted that you've never ever picked up a pen or a pencil or and a brush ever in your life. Okay, so this is how you start. Thanks a lot for being with me today. I hope this helped you, and it's just one little idea. You might have others, so try them all, but get through that wall. You can do it.